When we're working with individuals, we, of course, collect all this information about who they are, what matters to them, their snapshot of their estate. There is this key moment when someone realizes how much they have. Gosh, it's fun, it's remarkable, the joy that they have. And we help them then create a plan that accomplishes their goals, their values. As they're making decisions then, we're keeping in mind all those key estate documents that they will need to put in place to make these things happen. So we're thinking about wills and trusts and explaining how those work. We're thinking about roles like powers of attorney, trustees, guardians, individuals that might be a good fit to carry out their wishes in different capacities. And then once they've made those decisions, we're connecting them with attorneys and financial advisors, sometimes insurance agents, oftentimes foundations or nonprofits to help them implement this plan and the goals that they have.